In this exercise, we're going to do part B. We're going to do depreciation using the double declining balance method. Now actually, this should be called the declining balance method. The formula is you take 1 divided by the useful life. The useful life is how many years you plan to use an asset, not the total number of years that the asset will exist being used by somebody else, just how many years you are going to use it. Now, the next step is to multiply by 2 or 1.75 or 1.5. 2 is most accelerated and 1.5 is least accelerated. But most people choose 2 and they call that double. But you have 3 choices of acceleration. Then you multiply it by the cost minus accumulated depreciation. Notice that this formula does not include residual value. The straight line method includes residual value, but this method does not include residual value. It's not part of the formula, but a very common test trick is to give you extra information in a question. They'll give you residual value, but there's no place to put it here. And a lot of students try to put it there, but you're supposed to ignore residual value in this formula. Okay, 1 divided by useful life. They said double, so we choose 2 here. The cost was 180. What does accumulated depreciation mean? Well, that's all the depreciation expense that we have recognized in previous years. Well, since we've never depreciated this asset before, this is our first time, at the end of year 1, that would be 0. Multiply this out and it comes to 36,000. That would be year 1. Now let's do year 2. So year 1 goes here. It's still going to be 1 divided by 10 times 2 times 180. Now this is where it changes. How much depreciation have we recognized in all the previous years? Not just last year, but all of the previous years. The answer is 36. And this comes out to 28800. This is an algorithmic problem, and the numbers you get should be different, but the procedure is the same. Good luck. There you go.